The U.S. is 50 states strong today, but it began as 13 small colonies. It all started with Virginia, when wealthy London businessmen asked the British king to set up shop in what was known as the New World. 104 British colonists settled at Jamestown, forming the first permanent American colony. Next up, Massachusetts, founded after being established by the Pilgrims, who sailed the Mayflower to Plymouth. 6 years later, New York was pioneered by the Dutch, who called it New Amsterdam. Maryland, which became home to Puritans, Quakers, and Catholics, who didn't always get along, was established in 1634. Maryland was followed by Connecticut, when 100 Puritans left Massachusetts to start a new colony at Hartford. And Rhode Island, which was originally called Red Island by the Dutch. Delaware and New Hampshire, which at various points were part of Maryland and Massachusetts, came next. Virginian colonists established North Carolina, 10 years before South Carolina was granted a charter, forming one Carolina colony until 1712. New Jersey was first settled in 1664, though the small future garden state was actually two parts for nearly 40 years. Pennsylvania was granted to William Penn in 1681. In payment for a debt the British king owed Penn's father. That leaves Georgia, which was established as a penal colony for English debtors, and a buffer zone between the British colonies and Florida, which was controlled by the Spanish. Spain held on to Florida until 1821, a full 45 years after the original 13 colonies became the United States of America.
Getting elected president is an expensive business. Campaign costs add up. There are advertisements to make, travel expenses, convention costs, even bumper stickers. But where does all this money come from?